How to add Google Ads tag on your Shopify and track conversions. So in this video, I'm going to explain how you can add Google Ads tag so that you can make analytics from your Shopify store activities, and also how you can track sales or purchases made in your store to add it to your analytics in Google Ads so that you can have a better, more accurate, and precise advertisement on Google Ads. So now the first step is to go to ads.google.com if you haven't already. Let's go ahead and type it in ads.google.com on your search bar and click enter. Now once you're in this menu over here, go ahead and click start now. Now you have to sign up first if you haven't already, but in my case I have. If you haven't, it will be more process than what I show on the screen here. It's just some basic like business information and billing payment informations menu that you can skip altogether if you're not ready creating an ads campaign in Google Ads. Okay, so once we're in this page, let's first go ahead and make sure that our Shopify dashboard is standby. And you will need to open this website over here, in the Shopify Help Center article. So you need to open this article, Google Ads Conversion Tracking. You can go ahead and just Google it. For Shopify, it will be shown on top like so. As you can see, there you go. Go ahead and click it, and this is the article that we're looking for, that we'll be using later on. Okay. All right, now we have our Shopify dashboard ready and Google Ads dashboard ready. I'm going to tell you how to add a Google Ads tag and a Google conversion event observer. So the easy way to do this is to actually add the Google and YouTube app from the Shopify store. Go ahead and click add apps on the bottom left corner here and click Shopify App Store and find Google and YouTube. Google and YouTube. Oh, there you go. It's actually on the popular in my page over here. But if you can't find it in your popular, then you just go ahead and search it. Oops. Well, you get the idea. But the point is, the easiest and the safest way to do it is to actually by using this app over here, made by Google for Shopify specifically. However, sometimes they just don't work, maybe a bug or an interference in the system, and you'll just end up being confused and frustrated because you are not able to add tags and conversion event observer via the app. So what I'm going to show you now is an alternative way for you to do it, which is the manual way. Don't worry, it's just a couple of steps. Now, the first thing that we want to do is to create something called the conversion action on Google Ads. So you do that by clicking create here on the left corner and conversion action. Now for our conversion action, we will want to target the website because Shopify is a website. Now for the domain, add your Shopify store domain if you have one. I haven't already, so I'm just going to search in my settings over here. Click settings on the top left corner on Shopify dashboard, and I'm going to copy my store link over here. All right, and I'll click scan after pasting it in the Google Ads menu over here. Okay, as you can see, it is detected and I can create conversion actions from my Shopify. For my Shopify. All right, the conversion goal is to purchase. So we want to track the purchases that are happening in our store. And URL, now the URL is usually checkout for Dawn theme. You might want to check if this URL will lead to the client purchased product. However, if I'm pretty sure that in Dawn theme, this is the default URL for after a visitor have purchased something from your store. Yeah, go ahead and click customize if you are not sure about the URL. Okay, so let's click add. Now what we want to do is add a conversion action manually, because the automatic way, as I said, sometimes it's buggy. Okay, so goal and action optimization. Let's say purchase, and the conversion name here is purchase again, because we want to track every purchase that happens in our website. Now for the value, we will use different values, of course, because we wanna not only detect the purchase, but also the amount of money that is involved on that particular purchase. And also on the count, we want to click on every, and I will leave the rest of the settings here, and I will continue by clicking done over here. All right, once you're done, let's click save and continue. Okay, now let's set up the tag here. So it has a warning. We need one tag for this conversion action. No problem, let's do it. Okay, so let's click setup for the Google tag. So there are two parts here. We need to add the Google tag and the conversion action code snippet into our Shopify store website. Now for the Google tag, we will need to copy and paste it to our theme dot fluid and into our checkout page. So let's go ahead and copy this code snippet and go back to our Shopify dashboard. On the themes page, click this burger bar next to the customize button and click edit code. Okay, on the edit code on theme.liquid, oops, as you can see, I've already added the previous Google tag when I'm testing this way out. Okay, so under head, we want to Control V to paste our copied Google tag. Okay, go ahead and click save. And we will want to put this code snippet in the checkout page also. So go ahead and go to settings, click checkout, scroll all the way down until you find the additional scripts here. Now just add a new line and paste it. Okay, perfect. Now that we've put our Google tag on both places in our Shopify store, let's go ahead and check the installation. Now, for Google specifically, usually it takes a few hours to do it, just like Facebook Business Manager tags. Sometimes it's instant, sometimes it's a few hours or 72 hours. But let's not worry about this too much, because we're going to set up our conversion event snippets. So let's see. Let's click see event snippet. Now we're not going to actually copy and paste this event snippet into our Shopify store, because this is not made specifically for Shopify. So what we want to do is just click, just block it all and copy the code snippet and paste it on your notepad. And let's go ahead and close it. Now, this is where the Shopify Help Center article comes into play, because in this article, go to step 4, we will see the code snippet that we want. So we actually want this code snippet for Shopify. Okay, so let's go ahead and Control C, click Control C, and we will put it in our checkout page under the code that we just pasted before. All right, let's click paste, And there you go. Now we need to change just one thing here. The send to here, as you can see, it's 127. This is a random number that we need to replace. Now we replace this number with our send to that we have on the original code snippet provided by Google Ads instead of the Shopify Help Center article. So once we've copied the address here, I'm assuming this is our address. So copy this code snippet and paste it to replace the 127 numbers. Oops. There you go. All right. Now let's click save. And you're pretty much done. That is how you add a Google Ads tag and conversions with event snippets to your Shopify store. Thank you.